People usually use this as face washing headband, is it? If you love anything about headbands, consider subscribing. Hi, my name is Trissa. Welcome to Anjurisa channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to make easy and beautiful headbands with or without using a sewing machine, you can check out my previous videos in this channel. So you can see this cute headband. I usually use this at night to get my hair out of my face. If I need to wash my face or doing night skincare routine, this headband is very comfortable. If you want a tutorial for this headband, let's go ahead and get started. I recommend using fur fabric because it's very soft. Let's start from the cute ears. You can screenshot and print out this ear template. So the important thing when working with fur fabric is the direction of the fur. You can see the fur direction like this. I want the fur facing that way. So I will draw the ear template like this. Take another piece of fabric and the fabric should facing the same direction, just like this. Place the fabrics together and sew this part. Cut around the sewing thread. Turn the fabric inside out. Make two pieces of this cat ear. Prepare another piece of fabric. So I've been asked about writing the size on the screen, so here it is. These are the sizes in inches, and these are the sizes in centimeters. Fold the fabric in half. Mark the center. And then mark an inch from the left and right. Like this one. Please pay attention, I'm going to explain the fabric direction and this is very important. So the direction of our cat ear is facing that way. I want the headband facing the same direction. Place the cat ear right at this mark. I'm going to stitch these to hold the cat ears. Just like this. Fold the fabric in half. And prepare another piece of fabric. The size is 3 inch by 8 inch, or if you prefer centimeters, so here it is. Fold this fabric in half and sew these parts. Turn the fabric inside out. For the smaller fabric, I'll use a loop turner. If you don't have a loop turner, use a safety pin. Prepare an elastic band. The size is 4 inches or 10 centimeters. And put a safety pin here. Put the elastic band inside the fabric. I'll stitch these parts. With the seam here, I'll put these together. Stitch for the last time. Cut the excess fabric. And our headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. So I've been asked around. Susah lah ngomong ask. It's kind of hard for me to pronounce ask. Subscribe and ring the bell.